Each Copperloy railboard is custom manufactured to the exact dimensions of your dock. The following video illustrates how to get the exact required measurements that are critical to the fit and safety of your railboard. Failure to get precise and accurate measurements will make it non-usable or unsafe. Railboards cannot be modified or changed for height difference or length after being produced. This video is to demonstrate how to properly measure the B dimension, which is taken from the top of the dock to the top of the rail. Ensuring lines are level is essential to taking accurate measurements. Without correct A and B dimensions, the railboard will not function properly or be safe to operate. Only measure dock locations where the railcar will be loaded and unloaded. Both the A and B need to be measured at the same location. These dimensions must be taken at multiple locations 20 feet apart along the dock to accommodate the maximum and minimum variations in dock height. From the same locations you took the A dimension, tape the line to the dock, then bring a level line across the top of the dock and measure down from the top of the line to the top of the rail. Verify that the tape measure is plumb while measuring. You can also use a level to measure from the dock to the top of the rail. To obtain the B dimension using a laser level, set the laser level on a flat surface. Then, set the height of the level. Next, place the rod with the detector on the top of the rail and adjust the level up and down until the beep indicates level. Please reach out to us at 800-321-4968. It's best to call from the job site so we can walk you through the measurement process.